kid can pet the dog even though they don't have points.
Some of the concerns people have involve allergies, injuries, destruction, and noise. Allergies have been a big concern to parents. Some of the students have talked with the nurse and thought it would be a good idea to get gloves and masks for the students that are allergic to dogs. I know injuries are probably not the biggest concern, and I just wanted to let you know that we have a grade school nurse that would fix most of the problems with dog injuries. Destruction and noise sort of go together because if the dog is destroying something, it would make a lot of noise. If the dog is making a lot of noise, we could bring him or her out to X-Pen and the dog could have a break. If it was destroying something, we could try to get it away from the dog, and if we do, we could remember to always put something like that up high. In conclusion, most of the big concerns have been solved on this slide. These are some things that we could do for the X-Pen. Some of the things that the dog might do that we have to put in the X-Pen. It might, if the school sometimes has to put wood chips, and if it happens, we could put the dog in the X-Pen. That way it won't go around and distract the people who are working with them. Sometimes if we forget the leash when we take it outside, like if we have it on the leash for recess, then we could put it in the X-Pen so it could still be outside. And sometimes on the playground there is litter, and we might have to put the dog in the X-Pen so we could clean up the litter. We could organize a vet appointment for the dog every month or 6 months, like a dentist appointment. We could buy either flea, we could also buy flea repellent or flea exterminator.
Is it done?